Assalamu alaikum, ninth standard. We have started carbon lesson, and carbon is very interesting element in the world. And now we will see a deeper perspective in which we will see occurrence of the carbon. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. Carbon is found in the nature in a free as well as compound state. Carbon usually found in the nature into these two states, that is free and compound. Free means free carbon, and carbon in free state occurs in diamond and graphite only, and it occurs in combined state in various elements. Diamond and graphite, they are made of only carbons. So in free state, diamond and graphite. In combined state, it carbon combined with oxygen and form a carbon dioxide. Carbon combined with the various things and form a carbonates. So calcium carbonate, or marble, or calamine, or zinc carbonate, or it occurs in a form of a fossil fuel like petroleum, like natural gas. What is that natural gas? CH3, H4, CH3H4. This C is carbon. Carbonaceous nutrient like carbohydrate, proteins, fat, all these elements, they are usually made up of carbon. And in natural fiber, cotton, wool, if you burn the wool or cotton or silk, you will find what remain, that is carbon. So carbon is present in natural fibers also. And to your surprise, in environment, carbon dioxide percentage is 0.03%. Okay. Properties of carbon. Carbon shows a very interesting nature of their atoms, and that interesting nature is called as allotropy. What is this allotropy? Some elements in the nature, they occur more than in one form. So the element occur in a nature more than one form. The chemical properties of these are from the different form are the same, but the physical properties, they are different. Now the point of allotrope is that their chemical properties is similar one, and their physical properties, they are of different in nature. This property of an element is called as allotropy. So what is allotropy? Allotropy is the element that exists in nature in two forms. The same element occurs or exists itself in nature in two forms. Number one form and number two form. In these two forms, the chemical properties of these two forms are same, except the the physical property. Their physical form may be different. This property of element is called as allotropy, and they are allotropes. So carbon has various allotropes. Sulfur, phosphorus, they also exhibit the allotropy. So we will see the allotropes of carbon. So the various allotropes of carbon, they may be a crystalline form, or they may be of non-crystalline form. They may be of crystalline form, or they may be of non-crystalline form. So first we will see crystalline form. So crystalline form is a crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. See, if you want to imagine the crystalline form, then imagine a diamond. It is having a very sharp edges, and it has a definite shape and definite shape. Why it is so? Because definite arrangement of atoms. Usually, the crystalline form is having a high melting point and boiling point because the crystals in the crystals atoms, they are attached to each other in a various fashions. A crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape. See the shape of diamond, it is a different geometrical shape, and it is having a sharp edges. See this sharp edge, this sharp edge, this sharp edge, and various edges and plane surfaces. See, this is a on top of it, it's a plane surface. Here it is plane, here it is plane. So it is having a plane surfaces, sharp edges, and geometrical shape. If you take a diamond of India and you compare it with the diamond of South Africa, you will notice that the both diamonds are of same nature. So carbon has three crystalline allotropes. First is diamond. Usually diamond is found in Kunda, Karnataka, Panna in Madhya Pradesh. Diamond is found in South Africa, Brazil, and Belgium, Russia, and America. And in our country, it is there in Golconda and Panna of Madhya Pradesh. So the what is the structure of carbon? So this is a carbon atom. It is attached to the one over here, two over here, three over here, and four this one. So the each carbon atom attached to neighboring carbon atom, and how many numbers? Four carbon numbers, and they form a tetragonal tree dimension. Look this all, that is tetragonal tree type of dimension. Because of it, it becomes very hard. Becomes what? Very hard. So pure diamond is the hardest substance in the world, and its density is 3.5 gram cubic centimeter, and its melting point on which the diamond used to melt is 3500 degrees Celsius. And once the diamond is heated at 800 degrees Celsius under the presence of oxygen, then what happen? Only CO2 will be emerge from it. Why? Because diamond is purely carbon. Diamond doesn't dissolve in any solvent, acid, bases. They have no effect on diamond, and diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. It doesn't transmit the electricity. Next is that our India has a Kohinoor diamond that is found in the Madhya Pradesh, in Andhra Pradesh, in Guntur, and it weighs about 168 carats. Uses of diamond. Usually diamonds are used in the glass cutting and rock drilling machines, and diamonds are usually used in the ornaments, making various ornaments beautiful. And diamond is used for in the knives, in eye surgery, and this diamond is used to polish other diamonds, and it is used to make a windows giving protection from the radiation in space. In space, various spacecraft are launched, and in that to prevent the bad effect of the radiation that is emitted from the cosmic bodies, the windows of that unit is protected by the with the help of diamond. So diamond dust is used for the polishing purpose, and windows are of the spacecraft are usually polished with the diamond. This is all for today. Inshallah, in the next lecture I will go deep, and the lecture will be a lengthy one in next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.